Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Letitia from Level Up Custom Designs Plus. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram, and we use our YouTube channel, me and my business partner Lincia, and we selling bonnets, handbags, lashes, and any custom design. And today I will just be showing you how I use resin for the first time. So if you have any pointers, be sure to leave any comments below. So I went ahead and I purchased this type of resin. I hope it's good. As I said, it is my first time. I purchased it from Amazon. It's called Art Resin. And I also purchased a kit that comes with different silicone shapes from Amazon. It came with little screws, I guess, to hook the chains on if you need to. A few spoons to mix, and droppers. So, and they also give me these little dangle ones, which I will be testing out today. I'll be adding glitter to my mix. I have watched several YouTube tutorials to find out what I need and how I need to do it. So today it's my turn to post my video showing them how I did it. So shout out to all of you who post videos to help people learn. I can say that I use YouTube to learn a lot of things. There's a lot of creative people in this world, and I'm always looking to learn new things. So thank you guys.
Get your level up. Every day, man, level up, level up, level up, level up. You're not on my level, so just level up.
So I will be using this cup here. This one is pretty small, but it can work. Everything's sticking to my glove. Yeah, guys, make sure you wear gloves for this. If you have mask, I think they say it's scent free, so it's scent free. They said, so let's see if that's true. But just make sure you put on gloves. Okay, guys, so I just poured some in here. Okay. So now we're gonna try to get it in there the equal amount. So Okay, hi guys. So it has been almost 48 hours since I did my resin pour. So now we're gonna remove them from the cast. Okay guys, so this is the final product. Okay. Ooh. This is the one that was overfilled. So don't mind my nails, sorry. You know, we're in lockdown. So like as you can see, it did have a hole because it was an over pour. The hole does not come out here. So that's a easy fix. I'm just gonna use some sandpaper. Right now I don't have any. I might have a good look. So I'm just gonna scratch until it meets a desired until the hole shows, so then I know that I reach where it needs to be. But overall I like this. Like, this is the other part. I did it in a more pink color. That's so cool. And it's a heart into different colors. I like this. I like this. Interesting. This one I just used white glitter and silver. So that was basically what I made first, and then I started adding colors for the other ones. This is just a cylinder shape. I like how it glistens. It looks nice. So what I've learned, I think after I put it in, if I overfill, I need to like scrape the top off especially if bubbles come up, maybe I shouldn't start popping it. I should just scrape it off, because in some of them I do see, like look at this one for example. So the bubbles clustered at the top, so I could just skim that off. So I know for next time I'm gonna try that. And guys, look, this is my tribulation. This one did break, and I really was interested to see what it would have been come. Like, just the glitter didn't get wet, so I learned that quickly, because that's why that was the first one I did, and I realized that the glitter, if the resin does not get around the glitter that you put in, which I just dump like some glitter in the mold itself, and hope that the resin would cover it, but it only covered some. So when I realized that for the rest of it, I did pour, like for this one, I did pour some glitter in, but I used something and I poked it, so that way it goes, the resin itself, the liquid, will go around it and seal it. So yeah, for this one, I was gonna say I just poked it up in there as well. Okay guys, so there you have it. This was my trial. I will be doing this again, and I do expect to be better by that time, because I do know what not to do. Thank you. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and have an amazing day.